Lesson 6, Les Loisirs de Nathalie. Starting with the revision, first we are going to revise the difference between faire and jouer verb, where which verb is used. First of all, I'm going to do faire verb. Faire means to do. Faire means to do, and jouer means to play. Yes? Is it so? So, faire has two meanings, to do and to make. I'm doing some activity. Suppose I'm doing aerobic. So I'll say that je fais de l'aérobic. So to do something or to make something. Suppose I am cooking the food. Je fais la cuisine. Okay. So faire means to do and to make, and jouer verb means to play. It is used with all the sports and games that we play. And it is followed by preposition a. Faire verb is used with activities and sports, and it is followed by preposition the. And if we talk about jouer verb, it is used with sports and games, that we play, and it is followed by preposition a. So you just make the web chart in your notebook like this only. Now, this is also used with sport and this is also used with sports. So what is the difference? See to it. I'm saying je fais dash aerobic. So del apostrophe. And here I'm going to use faire verb. Je fais de l'aérobic. Je dash do jogging. If it is do in the sentence, if the sentence is followed by preposition the, that means do, de, la, de, del apostrophe, then I'm going to use again faire verb, je fais. But if it is je dash au cricket, now this is followed by preposition a. So here I'm going to use verb jouer. Je joue au cricket. Tu joues au basket. Okay. So what are your preposition a, au, a la, al apostrophe, aux. And what is your preposition the, du, the, la, del apostrophe, and they. If the following preposition will be given in the sentence, then you are going to use faire verb. If these prepositions are given to you in a sentence, then you are going to place verb jouer. And one more thing, with musical instrument also, this is used, jouer verb. It is also used with musical instruments. Clear, everyone? I'm giving you 3 sentences. Set actrices. Fait beaucoup de gym. This you have to change it into masculine as well as plural. Okay? In 2 sentences, you have to change the sentence, 2 forms. Now, one more I'm giving to you. Mon père fait de la natation tous les jours. This you have to change into feminine. So just read from the first word and check whether you can change the following sentence into any form or not. Masculine, set, article set will be changed to sir. Actrice will be changed to acteur. Rest of the sentence will remain same. Fait beaucoup de gym. Now you have to change this into plural. What is the plural of adjective demonstrative set? It is say. With actrice, you will place S. Fait will be changed to font. In il and elle plural form, it is font. Beaucoup de gym will remain same. A lot of gym. Clear? So word to word, you will just check it whether you can change it or not. Now you have to change this into feminine. Mon père, that is my father, will be changed to my mother. Ma mère, fait will remain same. De la natation will remain same. Tous les jours also will be same. My mother do swimming every day. So this is the way how you can change. Now, if you have been asked to answer the question, suppose the question is, est-ce que tu joues du piano? Can you play piano? Now, it's up to you. If it is written that you have to answer in negative, then you have to place no first and negation before the verb and pa after the verb. And if you have to answer yes, I can play, so you will answer it in positive. So I'm going to answer in both the cases. Oui, tu joues will be changes to je joue du piano. Here you have to répondre. So it's up to you, and you have to answer in oui or no. If you'll answer this in negative, it will be no. Je ne joue pas. No before the verb and pas after the verb. Je ne joue pas. Whenever article partitive is given, so that will be changes to the piano. Okay. Je ne joue pas the piano. Du, de, la, they will be changing to de whenever we are doing it in negative. Clear to everyone? And if it is written répondez or negative, so you'll only answer in negative only. Okay? Now come to the next. If it is pose the question. Je fais du jardinage. I am doing gardening. You need to frame a question out of this. So what you are doing? Qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What you are doing, and question mark is very much necessary. So this way you are going to frame the sentence. If the answer is in C, je joue du piano. Of course, I can play piano. And you have to frame the question. So if the answer is in C, you will frame the question in negation, in negative. So you can frame tu ne joues pas the piano. You cannot play the piano. So of course, I can play it. Okay, everyone. Now one more is there. That is, je toujours fais de la piano. Now you have to correct the statement, corriger. Check it word to word, see if any word is given wrong. You have to change that. Je, toujours. With je, it's not fait, it's fait, F-A-I-S. And it's not de la piano, it's du piano. So je toujours fais du piano. So this way, check word to word and change the sentence to the correct form. Please write it down. Now see the verbs jouer means to play. Je joue, tu joues, il, elle joue, nous jouions, ONS, vous jouiez, EZ, and il, elle jouions, ENT. This is the jouer verb. That means to play. Faire means to do. Je fais. Tu again it's same fait. Il, elle fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. This is the exception. F-A-I-T-E-S. And with ils and elle, it is F-O-N-T. So this is your jouer and faire verb.